All right, welcome to home ownership. One of the early stages when you buy a house, or after you get your house, like say first thing, you want to change the locks because you don't know how many homeowners have had keys to this. In this case is a tenant, so could have been previous tenants living up here with keys, etc., etc. Whether you change just have it rekeyed by a locksmith, that's up to you. Or if you go and upgrade, like I've done here, with a nice digital keypad, because again, new tenant, I can just change a code every time. And then also this Kwikset has this tiny pinhole here. If I ever need to rekey this, you just stick a special key in there, and then now you can change that key to whatever you want. So that saves a lot of time and headache, anytime somebody moves out. Hopefully, nobody wants to move out. But yes, so I already did that. Did that the other day, day 2, we moved in here. You still can use a key, you can use code, it's great. And when you go to leave, it's just one button to lock it. You don't have to do the code. And they're pretty affordable, these Kwiksets are pretty nice. And the other thing, they had gold before. I'm upgrading the silver, so let's get a knob. I'll show you how to put a knob on here. That's pretty easy too. First things first, we got the Phillips. They're never easy to get at. The knob is in the way. Sometimes the knobs will come off. There's a little push clip, but I think they've done away with that. So it's not too tight. You just go in at an angle like this, or do it by hand, or I guess some sort of a swivel. Bingo, bango. And it's squared and keyed, so they only go on one way. It can go on that way, I suppose, but you get the gist of it. And same thing, the other side will just slide out. That squared is keyed. Yeah, it's square in there. And the only other screws we have are the outside here. Let's show you that. All right, all new stuff, all looks the same. Key. They go like this. I have one doorknob over there where, because of the way the door swings, it went in upside down. So it really bugs me, but you can take this apart. Maybe I'll do a video on it and flip it around so the key is right. It's just more of a ergonomics thing that annoys me. All right, so first part we're going to put in this guy, and we're going to make sure this goes the right way. I give you all the screws. I even have the old screws, and I'll show you the smart code stuff too. So yeah, we have to go this way because it's going to shut the door. You want it to push in. And these all can be different sizes. This whole offset can be different. And this, I believe, is adjustable for that situation. Yeah, see this slot? You lift it up and slide it that way. In case say your knob is further that way. But it looks like mine is good. Yeah, we're dead center. I'm gonna go put those screws back in. New screws. Silver, not gold. Not too tight. You don't want to strip the wood. You don't want them coming out either, though. So, all right. So this is a few days later. On this one, I tried to flip the lock, and then I couldn't do it with the without the tool. So I bought the tool, and depending on how I'll edit this, you'll see how to do that. And then, so I just need to get this one back together, and the front door is done. I think I'm gonna rekey this so it matches that. We'll film that, how about that? All right, that issue I was having with the front door, with the lock sticking, I thought it was over tightening, and what it was is up and down. Like this door, you can see I have the old mark. I moved it down, tightened it, and now it doesn't stick. Could be some lubrication. I mean, it's all new too, but something you may have to try if you got a sticking lock, or sticking throw, I should say. All right, so this is the Kwikset lock cylinders, where you can change these locks with just a little key here. It goes in next to it, and you can make these matching keys. You can change it to whatever you want, but you do need the original key. So these are two different right now. I want them the same, and I think I'm going to change the knob. So I'm gonna. This is my original key in the knob. Okay, so just insert the original key. Rotate the current key 90 degrees. What the hell just happened there? That doesn't feel right. Let's start over here. All right, insert the original key, 90 degrees, in all the way. Then you take your smart key tool, configured in this direction, you stick it in all the way, it says. Is that going all the way? I don't know if it is. It doesn't feel, oh, there it goes, Jesus. I don't like this. Move the smart key tool. So I guess that put everything in its place. Okay, that comes out. Good. Then we go to 3, insert the new key. Okay. So I said I want to have this deadbolt key in there. And so that should set. Make sure it's in all the way. That should set all the tumblers. Rotate it 180. So that's 180 and 90, and pull it out. Move the new key, reinsert the new key, make sure everything works good. Yeah. Good. Locked, locked, locked. Sorry. We'll try the old key. And this, yeah, see, this key won't work anymore. Nice. All right. Cool. All right, so one key does both now. And I can save this for, like, say this tenant moves out. I can change the locks to this key, which is a total different cut. And I can do it myself, don't have to spend any money, no locksmith. A win-win.